how to turn off location on Instagram app. So just like Snapchat, Instagram came out with a feature that features a map that you can share locations or places nearby, things to eat, things like that. So to go ahead and go see your map, go to Instagram, go to your DMs at the top right hand corner, and you'll see it at the top there, and you can go ahead and hit the map. So to turn this off, what you can do is go to the top right hand corner here, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click that. And then from here, you can simply just choose at the very bottom where it says no one and says don't share location. And then you can go ahead and hit 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. So we can go do that. Another way to do that and to really reassure that you'll have your location off is come out of Instagram, go over to your settings, scroll down in your settings until you see your privacy and security, go to your location services, and then scroll down until you find your Instagram app. And then once you're there, go ahead and just choose the never option. And that way Instagram does not have permission to share your location or even ask for it, have it in any sort of way. And that's it. That's how you would go about turning off your location on your Instagram map.